Comparing Waterfall and Agile models.
The Waterfall and Agile models are two distinct approaches to software development, each of its own methodologies, strengths, and weaknesses. Waterfall model. The Waterfall model is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. The typical phases include requirements analysis, gathering all requirements, system design, creating architectural and detailed design, implementation, coding and unit testing, integration and testing, verifying that components work together, deployment, releasing the software to users, maintenance, addressing bugs and making improvements. Next is strengths of the waterfall model. Clear structure. Each phase is well designed, making it easier to manage and document. Predictability. Since requirements are set upfront, timeliness and budget are more predictable. Good for large projects. Works well for projects with well-defined scope and requirements. Easier to manage. Because everything is planned in advance, project management is more straightforward. Next is weaknesses of waterfall model. Inflexibility. Once a phase is completed, revisiting it is costly and time-consuming. Slow adaptation to changes. Requirements cannot easily be changed and once development starts. Late testing. Errors are often discovered late in process, increasing cost of fixing them. Not ideal for uncertain requirements. If customer needs are unclear, this model struggles accommodate changes. Next is the Agile model. The Agile model is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. Agile follows principles from the Agile Manifesto, emphasizing collaboration, customers' feedback, and adaptive planning. Key Agile methodologies. Scrum focuses on short sprints, 1 or 4 weeks with regular reviews. Kanban uses visual board to track progress and workflow.
Extreme Programming or XP prioritizes high-quality coding and frequent testing. There are 5 strands of Agile model. First is flexibility, second fast delivery, customer collaboration, early bug detection, and lastly is the better risk management. First is flexibility. Agile allows for changes in requirements throughout the projects. Fast delivery, frequent iterations mean that working software is delivered faster. Third, customer collaboration, continuous feedback, ensure that product meets user expectation. Fourth is early bug detection. Continuous testing helps identify and fix bugs early in development. Lastly is better risk management. Since Agile adapts quickly, risk can be mitigated more effectively. There are 4 types of weaknesses of Agile model. First is require close collaboration. Second is difficult to predict cost and time. Third is not ideal for large-scale project without clear structure. Lastly is dependency on skilled teams. First is require close collaboration. Its Agile teams need constant communication, which can be challenging. Second is difficult to predict cost and time because requirements evolve. Budgeting and scheduling are harder to estimate. Third is not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure. Managing large teams and projects can be chaotic if Agile is not implemented properly. Fourth is dependency on skilled teams. Agile requires experienced developers and active customer participation. So we have the comparison table of Waterfall versus Agile. Featuring Waterfall model and Agile model approach, sequential and structured, iterative and flexible. Flexible, low and high. Customer, minimal, mainly at the continuous feedback and involvement, start, collaboration, change. Management, difficulty and costly. Easily adaptable. Project size, works best for large, ideal for small to medium. Sustainability, well-defined projects, size-evolving projects. Time to market, longer and faster. Testing phase, done after developing, continues throughout is complete development. Risk management, high risk due to late, low risk due to frequent stages testing iterations. So conclusion is use waterfall if the project has well-defined requirements, minimal expected changes, and clear timeliness. So use Agile if the project requires continuous updates, user feedbacks, and rapid delivery of working features. Example of this is mobile app development, startups, or software high evolving requirements.
Thank you for watching, and I hope this comparison helps guide your future project planning and development.